Trump and Elon had a fallout. This is what you need to know as an investor. Buckle up, buddy. Your favorite power couple since Kanye and Kim had a fallout, and it was messy. In summary, Trump is threatening to cut Elon's government contracts, and if you know a thing or two about Elon Musk and Tesla, they live off those government contracts. In return, Elon says Trump is on the Epstein files. Well,
What? Nah, I never knew that.
Wow, thanks Elon. Who would have known? Nobody ever saw that coming. I mean, Trump and Epstein? No way. How did Blood figure that one out? All jokes aside, what does it mean for you and me as an investor? Well, not that much to be honest. I mean, it's gonna be a slight bumper in the road. It's nothing special, I think. We've experienced a lot of volatility right now, so a little more or less volatility won't damage anyone over here. And if you know a thing or two about me, I love volatility anyway, so we're used to it by now. Nothing that special. I don't think it has a huge impact, so like I said, expect some volatility. But as we've seen, Tesla stock price dropped 50%, and today it went back up a couple percent. But I see this bitch fight as a minor bumper, and I ask myself more of who's gonna get custody of JD Vance. I mean, that's the real question over here. Who cares about the stock market right now? I mean, this is for everyone clicking. Don't click off, okay? Don't click off yet. This is an important lesson, because those news you shouldn't care about that much. They don't affect you as much as you think. Yeah, the stock market, it might crash, it might do this. We've heard it all before. It happens all the time. Every year there's like a 10% drop or even higher, like this year. So don't be worried about it that much. As long as you're invested in good companies, you shouldn't care about the stock price in general. I mean, people don't understand what an investor should do. They think it's about looking at stocks and the price and this. All these value investors screwed up what it means to be an investor, because the value of the company, that's the last thing you should care about. Yes, it is slightly important, you shouldn't overpay, but at the end of the day, I'd rather overpay for a good company than have a bad company at a good price. I mean, make it make sense. A bad company at a good price will still not make any profit. So it's about finding good companies, and like I said in the last video that nobody watched, I'm sorry, I got a bit angry, but yeah, like I said in my last video, if you want to invest in good companies, just follow me, subscribe, watch my videos, okay? I mean, this video is quite boring and short because I just wanted to get it out real quick, but other than that, I make decent content, okay? And I told you to buy Xiaomi, it went up. Trade Desk, it went up. CSBC, Chinese pharmaceutical company, look at it. I'm sorry for the sounds, but hey, when you make good decisions, it's just great, okay? At the end of the day, have a nice day. I'll end the video with my usual yapping session real quick, okay? Let's yap about my wife. She complained that in my last video I didn't talk about her enough. She's from Singapore and she's coming over on Monday. Yes, I'm excited. She doesn't believe me, but I'm excited, and yeah, that's about it. I don't have anything else to say. I don't want to give too much private information, wifey. Why do you want me to share you with the world? Anyway, I said it before. She loves playing Sims. I love playing Yakuza, so I'd rather talk about Yakuza than my wife. I still haven't bought the new Yakuza, man, because I'm a cheapskate. I'm waiting for it to drop down in price, but it doesn't. So maybe a couple months more and then it'll drop, hopefully. But hey, I played all the Yakuza games, by the way. If y'all have never heard or played any Yakuza games, go buy all of them right now and play them, okay? Thanks. If there's anything you need to know about life, is that you are not here to spend your time with your loved ones or to make money. You're here on this earth to play as much Yakuza as possible. I'm joking, by the way. Anyway, like always, have a nice day. Love, peace, bye.